Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman Kewali. Today I would like to share about financial plan in Nepal by Systematic Investment Plan SIP. If you are in a private job, government job and you also running a business, this is good for you. If you are interested, let's get into the video. In my experience, I am also worked 6 years in a government job. Even with a stable job, my salary was never enough. In Nepal, most people think a government job, private job, even doing retail business are the ultimate goal. But let me ask you, what about after your retirement? No one teaches us how to manage simple financial plan. That's a real problem. So, I would like to teach basic of SIP. What is SIP? How does it work? And how can it help you build wealth strongly and effectively? Let's understand in simple way. Your monthly, quarterly, yearly, small chunk of amount managing by professional mutual fund directors. That are many open mutual fund in Nepal like NIMB Mutual Fund, Siddhartha Mutual Fund, NICICI and also Nobil and so many. Every time you invest, you get some unit based on the current price called NAV. Your money work in a compounding period of time. Now let's talk about why SIP is useful. 1. Discipline saving. 2. Affordable. 3. Power of compounding. 4. No need to think the market. So, my dear friend, SIP is a smart, simple and stress-free way to invest. Early started, consistent, be patient with your investment. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye, take care.